Hi, my name is Desvitri Lukidian Gracia from 11 Science 6, Senior High School 2 Semarang. So, we all know, world is being threatened by one of the most dangerous diseases. It is COVID-19. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19 is an infectious disease that caused by a new virus called coronavirus. Coronavirus is a type of virus that has caused a recent outbreak of respiratory illness. COVID-19 appeared in Wuhan, a city in China, in December 2019. The source of coronavirus is believed to be a wet market in Wuhan, which sold both dead and alive animals including fish and birds. Most of the time, it spread when a sick person coughs or sneezes. They can spread droplets as far as 6 feet away. We can also get the virus from touching a surface or object the virus is on, then touching our nose, mouth, or eyes. This is coronavirus. The outside of coronavirus is covered with crown-like spikes protruding from the surface. This virus is enveloped by bubbles of oily lipid molecules. This virus is entered the body through nose, mouth, and eyes. It then attaches to cells in the airways and then produces a protein called ACE2. The virus infects cells by combining their oily membranes with cell membranes in the human body. Once inside, the coronavirus releases pieces of kinetic material called RNA. Infected cells read the RNA and start making proteins that will maintain the immune system and help produce new copies of the virus. The cell machine begins to produce new spikes and older proteins that will form more copies of the coronavirus. Its infected cells can release million copies of coronavirus before the body cells damage and die. Coronavirus can infect nearby cells or end up in droplets coming out of the lungs. First, wash your hands often with soap and water, or clean them with alcohol-based sanitizer. Second, do social distancing. Because we can have and spread the virus without knowing it, we should stay at home as much as possible. Third, don't touch your face. Coronavirus can live on surface for several hours. If they get on your hands and then you touch your face, they will get into your body. Last, clean and disinfect. Disinfect surfaces that you touch often, like tables, doorknobs, like sweets, and others. You can use mix of household bleach and water. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention and stay healthy, guys.